Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer your stash portfolio to Robinhood. So first thing that you need to do is to understand the transfer type. So Robinhood only supports ACATS. This is the automated customer account transfer service. So Stash doesn't currently supports ACATS transfers out, meaning you cannot directly transfer your Stash stocks to Robinhood. So just an important note that Stash uses Apex clearing but restricts outgoing ACATS transfers. So this means that you cannot initiate an automated portfolio transfer from Stash to Robinhood. But here we have two options. Let's start with the option number one, which is to sell and rebuy. This is manual transfer. So since you can't transfer directly, you can sell your investments on Stash, then withdraw the cash to your bank account, and also deposit the funds into Robinhood, and then rebuy the same or different stocks on Robinhood. So these are the things that you have to watch out for. First is the capital gains taxes if you made a profit. Next is the market timing risk. So prices may change before you rebuy. And then also the withdrawal and settlement might take up to 5 to 7 business days. Now for option number two, which is to contact the Stash support just in case. So you can reach out to Stash support and request on ACATS outbound transfer, but they often do not allow this unless your account is closed or under special conditions. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!